just a quick video if you have been wondering what is local to world matrix and world to local matrix in Unity, like these two. So basically, local to world matrix contains translation inside the matrix, and world to local matrix is an inverse of the world of this world matrix, as you can see here. So basically, this one here and this one here, they are the same. So world to local matrix is actually an inverse of local to world matrix. Let me show you. When I press play and test it out, they give out the same results. You see, without the transformation, this is the coordinate. When I do an inverse of that world matrix, this is the coordinate. And when I just do the local to world matrix, this is the same coordinate. So it's literally the same. I hope this cleared some things up for you in matrix operations.